Hello everyone, welcome to my series of IELTS speaking test. IELTS speaking task is split up into three parts. Today's video going to focus on part 2 of IELTS speaking test and how to improve your score. So let me first explain what happens in this section. Basically, examiner will give you a card with a topic. You have 1 minute to prepare a short speech on the topic. After 1 minute, examiner will ask you to speak. Let's look at sample questions from part 2 of IELTS speaking test. Look at the question. It has 4 parts, 3 bullet points and longer question at the end. So let's see the question. Describe a journey that you went on. This question has 3 bullet points and a long question along with it. Describe a journey you went on. You should say where you went, why you went to this particular place, what you did and who was with you, and describe why you enjoyed your journey, or if not, why. For this topic, my friends, you can talk about any journey that you took in your life. In the first bullet point where you went, you should describe the route of the journey from where you started to which spot, which destination you went, why you went to this particular place, if you have a reason, its adventure, something special about this place that you have to describe in this point, what you did and who was with you. In this bullet point, describe what you did, why you went there, what was the purpose, and who was accompanied with you, and describe did you enjoy this trip. If not, describe why you not enjoyed. I love traveling. The reason why I travel so much is to get exposure to a different culture, their food. I would like to describe the exciting journey that I went on my birthday. My friends were planning for an adventurous trip for a long time, so we decided to go to Ooty. It became the most adventurous trip of my life. We started from Bangalore to reach Ooty. We crossed Mandya, Srirangapatna, Mysore, Nanjanagud, Bandipur, Masinugudi to make our way to Ooty. You could barely see the sky. The roads were covered with clouds. We drove between the clouds. We could also spot some peacocks, herds of deer, and elephants on the way. The greatest advantage of this route is the beautiful vistas it offers. Smoky clouds, lush green valleys, and expansive mountains. For a moment there, we thought we were in another world. The roads, on the other hand, were dangerous to drive on, and rain didn't make the task easier. Ooty is nested in the Nilgiri mountain range. It is covered in lush green hills, misty waterfalls, streams, and dense forest. On the first day, we visited some of the popular lakes in Ooty and Rose Garden. The second day, we headed to the Nilgiri mountain railways, the, the Dodda Betta tea factory, and taking a trip to the dolphin's nose. I think it was one of the longest road trips I have ever took, and well, I can say it was worth it. Thanks for watching. See you again. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.